量词
Measure word.
Measure word. How do you say a cup in Chinese?
一个杯子，一个杯子，一个杯子。
How do you say a book in Chinese?
一本书，一本书，一本书。
How do you say a piece of cake in Chinese?
一块蛋糕，一块蛋糕，一块蛋糕。
How do you say an umbrella in Chinese?
一把雨伞，一把雨伞，一把雨伞。
How do you say a piece of clothing in Chinese?
一件衣服，一件衣服，一件衣服。
How do you say a cat in Chinese?
一只猫，一只猫，一只猫。
How do you say a bicycle in Chinese?
一辆自行车，一辆自行车，一辆自行车。
How do you say a bottle of milk in Chinese?
一瓶牛奶，一瓶牛奶，一瓶牛奶。
How do you say a cup of coffee in Chinese?
一杯咖啡，一杯咖啡，一杯咖啡。
How do you say a pair of chopsticks in Chinese?
一双筷子，一双筷子，一双筷子。
How do you say a bed in Chinese?
一张床，一张床，一张床。
How do you say a bowl of rice in Chinese?
一碗饭，一碗饭，一碗饭。
How do you say a type of fruit in Chinese?
一种水果，一种水果，一种水果。
How do you say a horse in Chinese?
一匹马，一匹马，一匹马。
How do you say a cow in Chinese?
一头牛，一头牛，一头牛。
How do you say a fish in Chinese?
一条鱼，一条鱼，一条鱼。
How do you say a doctor in Chinese?
一位医生，一位医生，一位医生。
How do you say a task in Chinese?
一项任务，一项任务，一项任务。
How do you say a manager in Chinese?
一名经理，一名经理，一名经理。
How do you say a supermarket in Chinese?
一家超市，一家超市，一家超市。
How do you say a ball game in Chinese?
一场球赛，一场球赛，一场球赛。
How do you say a period of time in Chinese?
一段时间，一段时间，一段时间。
How do you say a forest in Chinese?
一片森林，一片森林，一片森林。
How do you say a set of furniture in Chinese?
一套家具，一套家具，一套家具。
How do you say a mountain in Chinese?
一座山，一座山，一座山。
How do you say a movie in Chinese?
一部电影，一部电影，一部电影。
How do you say a coating of oil in Chinese?
一层油，一层油，一层油。
How do you say a flock of sheep in Chinese?
一群绵羊，一群绵羊，一群绵羊。
How do you say a pencil in Chinese?
一支铅笔，一支铅笔，一支铅笔。
How do you say a batch of goods in Chinese?
一批货物，一批货物，一批货物。
How do you say an article in Chinese?
一篇文章，一篇文章，一篇文章。
How do you say a whiff of fragrance in Chinese?
一股清香，一股清香，一股清香。
How do you say a poem in Chinese?
一首诗，一首诗，一首诗。
How do you say a thunderclap in Chinese?
一声雷响，一声雷响，一声雷响。